At Festo, I can really make a difference. But every movement starts somewhere. Here, I get involved from the first year of my apprenticeship, starting with the very first draft, through planning and execution. In coordination with colleagues, in team meetings or during lunch breaks. I learn from experienced colleagues and trainers, and I contribute my own ideas every day. Because here it's not only about what you can do, but what you make of it. And all of this is because I chose a technical apprenticeship at Festo.